What's up, you guys? You are back with your girl Argan. Today I will be trying Cardi B's hair mask on my type 4 hair. I'm super excited. She raves about this hair mask, and anything Cardi B say, like literally I believe. So we're gonna put this hair mask to the test today. I want to show you guys Cardi B's Instagram story on how she makes the hair mask. You guys are gonna see me make that exact same hair mask. Then I'm gonna try that hair mask onto my hair, and then I'll let you guys know if the hair mask is everything that I ever imagined or not. Don't forget to watch this video from beginning to end, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, and click that bell notification so you guys won't miss out on every time I drop a video. Let's go ahead and get into it.
So this is, I'm doing a hair mask for Culture. This is avocado, and I just finished putting the argan oil. I'm gonna put mayonnaise, castor oil, olive oil. I know it's a lot of oil, but my baby hair gotta be really hydrated like mine. Egg and honey. It's for me and Culture. Big scoop, big chunky scoop. Honey, and I'm not gonna put that much honey because, you know, since it's a baby, I don't want her hair to be sticky, and she just touches it and weird stuff, you know. Guys, wish me luck cracking this egg. And now I'm gonna put a lot of black castor oil. You'll put it all in that bitch. Why not? I'm gonna add a banana because a banana is really good nutriments to the hair. All of this shit is good for the hair, you know what I'm saying? Okay guys, so this is really how my hair is. My hair gets like this when you blow dry it, then 2 days later it just gets puffed up like that. It's just a good hair mask to help your hair grow. Hey guys, so I finished, and this is the end result. This is how it looks.
So this is all the ingredients Cardi B used in her hair mask. We're gonna start from left to right. First we have Jamaican black castor oil. Then we have argan oil. And I will have all these items linked down in the description, so make sure you guys check that out. Mayonnaise, extra virgin olive oil. I barely have any left. Honey, banana, and egg. And then you have your avocado. So yes, I finally have time to film this video. Let me show you guys the hair mask that I made. You guys seen it all looking pretty and fresh, but look at it now. Yikes! It looks like poop. Okay, it looks like a chocolate layer on top, and then you have the avocado mask at the bottom. But yeah, this mask has been sitting in my fridge for like 4 days due to the fact that, yo, I got 2 kids, okay, and they be loud, okay, and I live with my mom, and literally everyone here makes unnecessary noises like all day long, so I don't be having time to film like that, y'all. I be having to squeeze in time where I see fit to film. But now we finally have that time to film. We're gonna start at the back. Yo, my hair is super freaking dry. Like, hold on, let me see if you guys can hear this. Can you guys hear that? Like, that's insane. That is ridiculous. So this hair mask better do me some freaking justice, because honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So my hair was previously washed and conditioned. Other than that, I don't have anything on my hair. Here we have the avocado mask. Before, when it was actually fresh, there was no chunks and it was super smooth. Now it's a little chunky due to the chocolate layer that was on top. But it doesn't have a smell or anything like that. It smells good, and honestly it's kind of making me hungry because it's really nice and pretty. I'm just going to get some hair mask and put it on my hands. Yeah, and we're gonna put it on my hair. I actually have my mirror right here, so I'll be looking at my mirror. I had the mask in the fridge, so the mask is still fresh, even though it looks like chocolate fudge on top. I'm making sure to get the hair mask all in my hair. Yo, my hair is low-key long though. Like, I can't wait to do the length check. Like, yo, my hair is low-key long. Like, okay. You know, barely got edges, but okay. You know what I'm saying? Long hair though. Long hair though. I love Cardi B. Like I love Cardi B so much, and I will believe and feed into anything that she says. Like, the only reason why I shop at Fashion Nova is because of Cardi B, to be real, okay? I've seen how like her hair is like under her boobs long now, like legit. And her hair did not used to be like that. Her hair used to be like shoulder length when her hair was in an afro. And then when I seen that, I was like, oh yeah, I'm for sure now trying her hair mask, because like she must be onto something. And when she said she used it on her daughter's Culture's hair, I was like, okay, 100% I'm trying this. You know, me and Cardi B's hair texture, I'm pretty sure is quite different. And my hair texture will probably be closer to her daughter's. Probably not exact, because I'm 100%, okay? Black, 100. I got real life 4C hair. Not that TikTok, I want to have 4C hair because it's trendy and for some reason it's in. But I got that real life, like the struggle is real 4C hair, like no lie. I would definitely say it's elongating my like hair, because my hair is never stretched out. Like basically it doesn't streak your hair. It kind of stretches my hair out, which is funny because my hair normally, you know what I'm saying, tightens up. Yo, my hair previously was detangled, but you know, like when you got 4C hair, overnight I promise you it tangles. Like not even overnight, like 10 minutes later, you know, you got tangles, I swear. This is a little messy, but I like it. I'm liking this. I can honestly see myself making this DIY hair mask like again. I'm trying to have this hair like that WAP, you know what I'm saying? WAP for hair, you feel me? So I totally did a reaction to Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion's song WAP. So if you guys want to see that video, I will link it down below. Like I said, you guys, I love Cardi B, and of course I love Megan Thee Stallion. So yeah, I did a reaction to that video. Super funny. So make sure you guys go check out that video. Can you guys see how like my hair is not shrinking? And I'm so surprised. Like normally my hair would be this short right here right now, but for some reason my hair is not shrinking with this hair mask. Make sure you guys check out my video on me taking down my 2-month-old braids. So yeah, check out that video. All right, okay, it's all bad. If you guys want to see some dusty, crusty, okay, dirty, shedding, all that good stuff, check out that video. And now here I am, I'm doing a hair mask because my hair desperately needs some love and affection, and I am so neglectful. This sound is so satisfying. You guys see how long that is? Like, yo, I'm loving this mask. Comment down below, you guys, if you guys have any suggestions when it comes to growing these edges back, because boy oh boy. I am finally done. Oh my gosh, I'm so surprised on how elongated my twists are I have Cardi B's hair mask on every inch of my head. So I thought the hair mask was a lot, but guess what? I freaking cleaned this bowl. Completely shook. Y'all seen it, but before we get into it, really quick, all I did was I braided my hair 2-strand twist and I let my hair dry. So this is my hair after I done the Cardi B's hair mask. I wish you guys can see the level of shininess my hair is at right now. Like, let me try to see if I can get it for you guys, because like literally I am like blown away. But really quick, we're going to moisturize my hair really quick. I'm going to start off with this It's Curl Activator Moisturizer. So I'm just going to spray this on my hair. And then I'm going to give you guys my final thoughts on Cardi B's hair mask. And at the end of the video, you guys are going to see me do a quick length check of my hair. And then that'll be it. So I'll make sure I'll link all the products I use down below. So I'm going to go in with this leave-in conditioner. It's at Target and it's new. And honestly, you get a lot for your money. You get 15.5 ounces for I think like $7. So y'all know I had to cop this one time. And then I'm going to go in and seal my hair with the shea butter. I absolutely love these products to moisturize your hair. But back to Cardi B's DIY hair mask, you guys. Literally, you guys seen how defined my curls were after I used the hair mask? My hair was so stretched. After I washed my hair is never that stretched. Literally, it was stretched. It was nice. It was curly. It was juicy. It was popping. Like, the protein hair mask gave my hair the strength that I needed. And my ends feel absolutely amazing. It feels so good and it feels so strong. Okay, so this is a great treatment for people that have dry hair, you have damaged hair, or honestly, you just need to give your hair that extra oomph and then put the moisturizer on top of it. Oh my gosh. If you guys want to see how I do my 4C wash day routine, I'll put that video right here. But yes, I highly recommend this hair mask. I give this hair mask a 2 thumbs up. Make sure you guys try this hair mask out. But that is it. I will see you guys later. Bye. I almost forgot. Length check. Uh-oh. So this is my length check.